Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in to the channel, welcome. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. This is the last video of 2022. Thank you all so much for your support throughout the year, throughout all the years that I've been here on YouTube. So thank you all so much for your support. You all are absolutely amazing and I am so grateful and thankful for you all. In this video, I was going to do a roundup of some of my favorite makes throughout the year, but then I went to Instagram to try to pull up my favorites and I immediately forgot that I disabled my account. I'm taking an IG break, so I was like, darn, I don't even remember what I made. I went over to the blog and I literally only blogged twice. So I was like, okay, this isn't working. I went to TikTok. I only have a couple things. So I was like, you know what? Let me just show you all what I recently made. That was the original plan anyway, to do a recently made post, but I figured, oh, since this is the last one, I'll do a roundup. We're just gonna go to what I recently made, okay? That's what we're going to be doing in this video. Before we get started though, one more time, I have to give a special shout out to Louisa. I've been partnering with them a lot this year and I'm so grateful to be able to work with a brand that I really do love. I love the things, the jewelry and the pieces that they offer. I love what the brand stands for. So that's always fun when you get to work with brands that you actually like. Not only are they a great team to work with, like I said, I just love their jewelry. 9 times out of 10 I have on Louisa jewelry, so it's really easy to talk about the brand that you wear pretty much all the time. So I received 4 new pieces in and they came right on time for Christmas, so I got some new pieces in the mail, and so I'm going to share them all with you really quickly. The first one here is a new pair of earrings. These right here, I wear these to death. They're always on my ear. So I'm excited to try these. I have other earrings from the brand, but I saw these and I thought they were really cute. So I love the little design here that they have, and they just kind of sit on the front of the ear with the little swoop on it. I thought that was a really cute and just clean design. The name of this earring is called the Rider, and yeah, I just think these are really cute, great for every day. That's what I love about the brand. They have really great everyday minimal pieces. Not only are they at affordable price, but they are carbon neutral company, so they create with the environment in mind. So again, I love these new earrings here. The next piece that I received in the mail is this ring, which I thought was so cute. This ring is called the Evan, and I got it in the size 8. This ring right here will fit on my index finger, and I just love it. It's so cute. I have another ring that's similar to this, but I like this one here. Excited to add this one to my collection. The next piece that I got is another ring. I love this one. This one is called the Audrey, and I got it in a size 9. I got this one a little bit bigger because I thought it would be great as a thumb ring. Yes, I love that, but it also work on my middle finger too, so I love that. Obviously, I usually wear about 4 rings, including my wedding band, so I will kind of mix and match it now that I have one that will fit on the middle finger. But I think this is so cute. I love it. It's simple. Like I said, simple, minimal, everyday. I love it. The last new piece of jewelry that I got in was this bracelet. And this one is really special because I actually got my sister 2 pieces from Louisa for Christmas. And one of the pieces was this bracelet. I didn't know that I was going to receive it, but I knew what she was getting. So when I opened the package and I saw this, now me and my sister have the same bracelet, and I thought that was so cute. This bracelet is called the Atlas. This is a size, it's 6 inches, but then you also get 1.25 inches of adjustable here, adjustable length, so you can move it around so that it fits your wrist. So those are the 4 new pieces that I have in. Again, thank you so much, Louisa. If you all are interested in the pieces, they are now having their end of the year sale. It's definitely time to check it out. I have a link down below that you all can click on to shop, or if you want to just learn more about the brand, click on that link and go check them out. Now let's get into the pieces that I have recently made. So the first thing that I recently made is a velvet dress. This dress is actually from my Know Me pattern. Let me grab the pattern. This is Know Me ME 2002. So I took the top and I extended it into a dress. So this is a nice midi length dress in some purple velvet, and I am obsessed with it. I think it's just amazing. All I did was just slash and spread along the lengthening and shortening lines on the pattern. And I also added a center back seam because the pattern is cut on the fold as is, but I decided to add a seam to it because I'm able to create a little bit of a curve on the back as opposed to just cutting straight down. That way it can contour and kind of fit my body a little bit more because my back is not straight down. There is some curves back there. So I was like, let me just put a center seam in the back, and that gives me more of a more fitted dress, and it will eliminate a lot of the excess in the back of the pattern that kind of sticks right above your bottom at your low back. If you add a center seam and kind of put a little curve in it, it'll cut out some of that fabric. Or if you're working with woven fabric, you can always add like some contour or fisheye darts, and you could always do like a sway back adjustment too. But I put a center seam on the back of the pattern, and I just love it. I normally would put the dress on, but I'm not really feeling 100% today, y'all. So, I mean, just stay tuned. I will put it on at some point so y'all can see how it fits. But just know that this is one of the things that I recently made. The purple velvet is from Melanated Fabrics. We have a couple different velvet shades in stock, but I love it. I use this velvet to make my dress for the Marine Corps birthday ball. It's one of my favorite stretch velvets to work with. So yeah, this is one of the first things that I recently made. I lengthened out my own pattern, again, ME 2002. Just adding some more length to it and cutting it so that it has a center back seam instead of cutting it on the fold. So I love it. This is the first thing. The next thing that I recently made is McCall's 7816. This is an old McCall's pattern. You may be able to find it on their website, I'm not sure, but if not, and if you're interested in it, just definitely check out like Etsy or maybe even eBay to see if somebody has it in stock that they are selling. But this is just like, it's a Mrs. top, dress, pants, and adult coat pattern. It's just athleisure. It's a hoodie, sweatpants, or a hooded dress. So I went with this because I wanted to make a hoodie. So this is the hoodie here. I made it out of green sweatshirt fleece from Melanated Fabrics. This is a quick and easy project to stitch up. I wanted something quick to make with our sweatshirt fleece. I mentioned in our last video that I plan to make a sweatshirt dress out of sweatshirt fleece, but I want to do that one in orange, but this is what I made out of green. The only thing that kind of stumped me up was I really wanted green twill tape here to come out, or like a rope or something, a cord that come out of here, but I didn't have any Kelly green on hand. I really didn't want to order any. So I just added some eyelets here. I used some white cotton twill tape that I had, and I decided to use my Cricut machine to kind of print out some hashtags that I frequently use when I am posting on social media, and I just put those on there. Would I do that again? Absolutely not. If you know anything about a Cricut, the weeding to get this all out was just a nightmare. I would never do that again, and I'm pretty sure when I wash it, these may even come off, but I thought it was still cute. So I'm happy with it. I won't do it again because, again, it was so tiny. It was so much weeding. First of all, it took forever for the Cricut to cut all this out, but I'm actually happy with it. I just won't do it again. So yeah, the second thing that I made was just a quick and easy hoodie. I love hoodies. I love putting them on up on the overalls too. So yeah, that's probably how I would style it. I would probably just put this on up on a pair of overalls with some sneakers and go on about my day. So this is the second thing that I have recently made. The next thing that I have recently made, this is a newer McCall's pattern. Let me find the real, okay, the number is McCall's 8327, and I made view B on this pattern. This is a two-way stretch knit skirt. You can make it out of interlock or jersey. I chose to make it out of some stretch faux leather. I thought that was a really fun way to use some fabric that, again, familiar fabrics that we had in stock. And I love the way it turned out. This skirt has like a really cute twist detail there in the front. The back of it though was a little tricky only because I felt like this kind of sits weird just a little bit on my back. But what I did was I added 2 rows of casing. It's only supposed to be 1 row of casing, but I added 2 just to kind of eliminate some of that was just kind of sitting there. It could have been my fabric choice that made it look like that. But I think it looks a lot better with 2 rows of elastic in the back. It's just a pull-on skirt. It does have a front split here. in the front, and I love the way it turned out and came together. I really do love it. My only thing is now I have to figure out how to get out some of the wrinkles. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have to research how do I get wrinkles out of faux leather. But overall, I love this project. It came together super quick, super fast. And yeah, I have like a really nice, cute black top that I plan to pair it with. Maybe with some cute heels or some cute boots. But yeah, again, this faux leather is from Melanated Fabrics. We have it in 3 different colors. But I used the burgundy, and I love this front twist. Me and a front twist are friends for life. Okay, give me a front twist. I love it. So this was a quick skirt that I whipped up. Really excited about that one. Stay tuned to see how I style it. I'll probably just do like a YouTube short since I'm not on Instagram right now. I'll probably just do like a quick YouTube short to show you all what it looks like on. The last couple things that I recently made are like some craft projects. This one right here is an apron. And this one right here is a tote, and it also has a matching little pouch with it. The zipper pouch I made with Simplicity 1153. This is an older pattern. You may have to kind of research again, go through Etsy or eBay if you're interested in that. It just has a lot of different pouches and totes on it. The tote bag I made with the new Simplicity pattern, which I thought was really cute. It's a cute little tote. This is Simplicity 9308. This fabric I found at Joann's over in the denim and twill section. Thought it was super cute, so I grabbed that up. Super easy project. This Simplicity 9308, really quick and easy. So I whipped that one up. And this apron here was made with Simplicity 9411. I actually have Justice an apron cut out. I need to make her one because she loves cooking with me. So I just need to go ahead and sew it up. It's already cut out, and I use a different color tie-dye, so we'll have matching color tie-dye aprons. So I've been working with Simplicity on doing like some craft reels and also some YouTube videos. So you all may have seen like the How to Sew series that I've been doing over there. I'm just so grateful for that opportunity because that's something I've always wanted to do, create videos for the big the big pattern brands, and here I am doing it. So it's really amazing and it's really awesome, and I'm so grateful. So that is all for the video. If you all are wondering why did I disable my Instagram account, honestly, you all, going into the new year, I want to really refocus, and sometimes you can really get overwhelmed, or for me, sometimes I really get overwhelmed with Instagram. It can be really like, it's a lot of things happening. You see a lot. You start comparing yourself, you start, it's just a lot. That's not what I want. That's not what I'm looking for. I want to create in a way that's genuine, that's authentic, that's fun. And I don't know if Instagram is that place for me right now, so I'm taking a break. It may be just for a few more days. I think I disabled my account like Christmas or the day after Christmas I disabled it. So I may, bring it back tomorrow, or I may bring it back in a month. I may bring it back in a couple months. I may bring it back in a year. I don't know. It's funny because I remember there was a time when I was thinking I could never like disable my Instagram account. What? Now I'm like, gone, disabled. I'm not interested. But I'm actually really excited about it. Like, I'm still on it for work. I didn't delete the app completely because not only do I have Melanated Fabrics, which is my online fabric store with Mimi G. We co-own an online fabric store and a brick and mortar store in Atlanta. So obviously I still have the app. I'm still on there for business, and I do manage other social media accounts. But for personal stuff, I'm done. I'm taking a break. I'm taking a hard break, a hard pass, okay? Hard pass. That's just where I am right now, and honestly, it feels good. It feels really, really good. Amazing things have happened throughout the year, and I've just been like on to the next thing. So I'm excited because now I'm pausing, and now I'm like really just sitting, and I'm getting back to the small things. I'm getting back to real life. And it feels good. But I'm really excited, and I'm looking forward to it. Just taking a step back getting back in tune with me, finding out what it is that I love to do now in this season is not the same things that I wanted to do last year. So the things that I want to do now are completely different, and I'm excited to just sit, think on those things, and then start to take action, not be in a rush, not tell everybody what I'm doing, not post every second of my life, not feel like I have to record everything. I feel so good. It feels so good, and I'm really excited and looking forward to it. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to completely ghost. I probably will be more so here on YouTube stories, making videos. I don't feel pressure from doing those things. I don't feel pressure from YouTube. I just, you can post one video a week if that's what you can do, and that's okay. On Instagram, I feel more pressure there, so I'm eliminating that pressure. So again, I'm not just gonna ghost. I'll probably be here on YouTube and on my blog. I literally pay for a blog, and I only posted twice this year. That's a problem. Okay. But yeah, thank you all again so much for your support throughout the year, for sticking with me, for your encouraging words, for your love. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'm so excited for 2023. Wow. 2023. Like, God is good. I'm looking forward to it. I hope that you all are doing well. I truly, truly hope that you all are doing well. And I really do mean that, because a lot of times we smile. I do that a lot. I smile a lot. I'm in my happy voice a lot, but you all don't see the tears. You all don't see the sadness. So I really do hope that you all are doing well. And if you're not, I'm sending prayers your way. I'm sending good vibes your way. I'm sending love your way. All right, y'all. Until next time, until next year. Blessings, everyone. Bye.